what you need to do, there is a formulas tab. You just need to go to formulas tab, and then there are calculation options available. So this is a feature in Excel. We have a calculation options. You can just click on this and there will be three options enabled for you. The one is automatic except for data tables, and manual. So right now it is automatic selected, because automatic means whenever you do any update or reopen the Excel sheet, it will recalculate all the formulas that are available in your sheet. Automatic except for data tables. So let's say we'll talk about what is data tables. For now, just keep in your mind that only for data tables, it will be manual process if you select this option. Otherwise, it is going to be automatic. Now, talking about the manual process. Now, if I select manual, what will happen in this case? If you change any value, let's say I am again changing it to 300. If you change any value, you see the formula is not getting recalculated. Why? Because you have just selected manual. Now you have to manually update your formulas. So how to manually update the formulas? By using external keys. So the shortcut is you can use F9. F9 is to execute the formulas again. You can just select F9 and it will execute your formula again so that it gets updated. If you don't want to update it, that is also okay. So in manual, you have the options whether you want to update your formula according to the updated value or not. Is this clear to everyone? This is the simple thing, very simple feature that we have in Excel. Is this clear?
Yep.
Okay. Can you guys, like, do you want to try it? I hope you have the Excel sheet yesterday. I have shared some data. Can you just quickly try this on your data?
Uh, I will try it by later because right now I'm using mobile.
Okay, no
Uh,
problem. No problem.
yeah.
What about others? Just quickly try it. I'm giving you 1 minute. It should not be taking more than a minute. Just quickly try it. We'll see here, okay? I think Senthil, you don't have a system, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, maybe I'll do it for you here. You can just check. See, right now what is it is the manual process. Okay, let me
Uh-huh.
change some values. Right now the value is 70.8. Meanwhile, others can just do a hands-on, quick hands-on. Okay. See, right now it is 70.8. Let's say I am changing this value to 400.98. So this value is not changing. Why?
Yeah.
Because we have not set it automatic. Let me change this one as well. So let's say this is, I'm changing it to 200. Again, the formula is not getting changed. Now what
Correct.
I do, I am pressing F9 now, okay? I have just
Mm.
pressed F9. Now the formula will be recalculated, okay?
Oh, okay. But why F9 have
It,
question?
it is a shortcut key. It is just
Shortcut.
a shortcut key, yes. It
Okay.
is just a shortcut key to evaluate the formulas. You can use this option as well, evaluate the formulas, but it's better always to use shortcut keys.
F9. Okay.
So I'll write it here. Maybe you guys can also note it down. For manual, you can just press F. Okay, to execute the formulas. Is this done? Everyone have tried this?
Yes.
But by default
Yes.
it will be always automate. That is
Default
the
options
option.
are automatic. Default option is automatic. So until
Okay.
and unless you are changing automatic, it is going to be automatic for you. Until and unless
Okay.
you are changing it.
Got it. Yeah.
Now, let's move ahead with our next topic of today's class, which is called as flash fill. Have you guys, do you guys know what is flash fill? Anyone is there who have already used it?
No.
Okay,
I have used it.
you have used it. Okay. So